Just made a quick breakfast. Two English muffins with sausage, egg, and cheese. Some ketchup on the side. I woke up hungry this morning. Today is July 16th, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this because I'm starving and see what else is planned for the day. Ooh, guys. Okay, let me start from down here. This is the mess that you see when you walk into my home. This gotta go. This is ridiculous. This is embarrassing. The entire first floor is absolutely out of control. So this is what we're going to do today. I'm definitely going to clean this all up, and I need you guys to hold me to it. But the only way I can get done is if I start. So let's do this. I was really getting into the swing of cleaning, and Lamb just texted me. Just kidding, guys. I was scrolling on my phone for the past half an hour. But he's at the gym with his brother, and he borrowed my AirPods because he couldn't find his headphones. And then he just texted me that they died, so I offered to go drop him off some, which is what I'm gonna go do now. And then I'm gonna go to the grocery store because he needs like salad stuff. We're all out. By the way, these balloons that I got for my birthday for my friend Steph are still floating. That was like over 2 months ago. But getting salad stuff, we have none at home, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna come back here and eat some salads. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Gotta get dressed. It's just so satisfying to see a made bed, even though the pillows are uneven, but whatever. Yeah. Woo! That was bright. Let's do some things today. It's 4 o'clock, which feels nice because you guys know I like sometimes get out of bed at 4. Just because, listen guys, I'm about to be a mom, and if there's one thing that all moms can agree on, it's that you get no sleep when you have a newborn. So I'm trying to get all the sleep in that I can. While I can. Here's my outfit. It looks a little crazy, but it works because these shorts are so high. This shirt is from Walmart. I think it was like $5.50, and it'll be great for after I have the baby because I love the color and it's just my style. But anyway, I'm gonna head out now. Oh my god, my bun. I haven't vlogged in a long time. I kind of forgot to. We just had salads because Lamb came home from the gym with his brother. Ate those, they were good. You know, my typical salads. Now walking to the playground so Lamb can play basketball, but it seems as if no courts are available. Maybe. I cleaned up the dining room a little bit, but barely. As you can see, we ended up going on a walk. Nice nature, houses on the other side. How long have you been walking?
34 minutes.
How far?
1.1 at least.
So we just hit a mile. How did it take us so long? There's apples. Apple tree.
Who's playing breakfast?
You know, has one of those. Well, Tesla's like a wild card to me. Like,
guys, this is still a mess. There's even more boxes than before because we got more packages today. These are boxes that are going to Libby's room because they are like either her crib or her dresser. I cleaned up the table a little bit. This is now a mess. Why are you chewing like that? You're disgusting.
Oh man, this is good shit, yo.
What is it?
Good shit. So, my friends, supermarket, grab a green mango, the hard ones, not fully ripe, okay? Then you grab some salt, and you get some Asian red peppers.
chili peppers.
Asian red chili peppers. And you put it in a bowl, the salt and the peppers, and you grab a mallet or something to...
A muddler.
It's called a muddler. Muddler.
Muddler.
And you
Dip it.
dip it.
Let me see. Let me see.
Dip it. Bang, one of those.
Ooh.
Right?
Mhm. And enjoy. That was a lot of salt, honey.
Mmm. I mean, that's when you start chewing like this. Because the juices are flowing. You gotta bring it all in.
Got it.
That's why I was doing it. And it gives you a little rhythm, you know? That's it. Come out, come out.
I am responsible for taking my own blood pressure at home daily, which I don't do daily. When I first got this in the mail, I took my blood pressure like 4 times a day. Now I take it about 4 times a month. I just always forget for whatever reason. But since I don't have doctor's visits in person, hardly ever, I have to take my own blood pressure to make sure I don't run the risk of having preeclampsia or any other medical problems. So let's see what we got. Ooh, I put it on a little tight. Might be a little high because I just ate and I just had some salt, but we'll see.
Yeah, the salt doesn't help.
Oh no, it's not high at all. It's 112 over 70, so that's pretty good. And my pulse per minute is 105. Okay, I'm good. Apparently, pregnant women go through this nesting phase where basically you just clean non-stop because you're preparing your home for your little one. I haven't really... Sometimes I get like the urge to clean really bad and I'll go do it, but it never like lasts all day, if that makes sense. Like I'll clean for like, I don't know, a couple of hours and then that's it. Like I can't ever finish a room. But hopefully tomorrow, I don't know, I'm just over it, guys. I'm over all these boxes coming in. I'm so thankful for them, but I just hate breaking them down all the time. Oh. So I'm walking up the steps and I look over and it actually doesn't look that bad. I put all the boxes together. Those need to go upstairs. I put the whole car seat together here. The table is like 50% clean. This is a mess. I need to bring this stuff upstairs. More mess. But it's not as much mess, so that's good, right? I did something. Earlier when I was actually cleaning, I did bring up a lot of the baby stuff. There's a few more things downstairs. And I'm just looking at it all like, wow, this little girl's so spoiled already. She doesn't even know it. Look at her little clothes. This is more clothes in here. There's a few things that I bought that I showed you guys, obviously. But for the most part, this is all gifted. These are all things that are like not clothing. I just threw in here. Towels. This is my nipple cream. And all these amazing things for the baby. Also, I bought these a while ago for myself to keep on the bookshelf at the top so I can like throw junk in them, but they ended up being perfect for now, having a baby. I can just throw all these things in here. I also have one more up there, so I can just use that one for something else and just stack them in a closet. I'm so out of breath. It's gross, but wow, this is amazing. Guys, today was a fail. I had no cleaning done, so that sucks. Another day wasted, but it's okay. We always have tomorrow. I'm going to clean the house. I'm going to clean the dining room at least. The dining room will be clean tomorrow by the end of the day. That's a promise I'm making to myself. And if I don't do it, I'm going to be really embarrassed. So clean the house or embarrass yourself on the internet. I think I'm going to clean the house. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.